my dear children. I hope you all are fine. So, in this lecture, we will finish our chapter which we started, which is chapter number 8, Mapping Your Way. Okay. So, in my previous lesson, I taught you till question number 4. In today's lecture, we will finish with this chapter. Only 2 questions are there. We will learn this briefly. So, your question number 5 is, we'll start. Look at the map of the multiplex come shopping mall and answer the following questions. Okay, so as I already told you, map will be there. You just have to read the questions, see the map carefully, see everything carefully. Okay, every single thing carefully, and read the question, and according to the question, find out the answer from the maps. Either it will be like a shopping mall complex, or it will be like a map, India map, or it will be like this place area, uh okay, or else it will be like given like this. Okay, metro route map. Okay, so any, it could be just any. So you just have to, it is very simple, just have to see the map which is given, see the map, read the questions, and find out the answers from the given map. So question number 5 is, I already read question number 5. This is your map, and we'll start the questions. First one is, the biggest auditorium is. So if you see here, children, so we have only 4 auditoriums in a auditorium 1, auditorium 2, auditorium 3, and auditorium 4. So in these 4 auditoriums, which one is the biggest auditorium? Okay, 1 and 2 are same, 1 and 2 are same, and 3 and 4, if you see, this is square in shape, this is rectangular in shape, and if you see, third one is quite bigger, है ना. 1, 2 and 4 से ज़्यादा बड़ा ऑडिटोरियम 3 है. So your biggest auditorium is auditorium number 3. So you will write here auditorium 3. Next question is, the biggest outlet showroom is of dash. Okay, so first you have to understand what is outlet. Okay, children, so for that you if you so outlet have two meanings. Okay, one single word outlet have two meanings. One meaning is, outlet means a place from where goods is distributed. A place from where goods is distributed. Apart from goods, it could be fast food restaurant also. Okay, outlet is a place where you can buy fast food from. Okay, outlet is something from where you can buy goods. Outlet is something from where you can buy fast food. So this is something from where you can buy goods. Okay, that is outlet. That is the one meaning of outlet. Okay, so for that first meaning, what is the biggest outlet in the showroom? So if you see here, these are auditorium, है ना. This is canteen, from here also you can buy goods. These are shops, from here also you can buy goods. These are shops, from here also you can buy goods. Okay, coffee house and South Indian cafe, from here also you can buy something, है ना. फास्ट फूड कॉफ़ी, साउथ इंडियन कैफ़े है, सो यू कैन बाय साउथ इंडियन डिशेस फ्रॉम हियर. Here we have McDonald, here we have Pizza Hut, and here we have Big Bazaar. So if you see here, canteen and all these shops, coffee house, South Indian cafe, McDonald, Pizza Hut, and Big Bazaar, this is one only. Okay, have you ever heard big differently and bazaar differently? No, it is one only. Big Bazaar, this is one only. Okay, this box is one. This midline has to be rubbed. Okay, so this is one only. So if you see here, the biggest outlet will be of Big Bazaar, isn't it? Big Bazaar सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा है. मैं हिंदी में भी आपको बता देती हूँ. बिग आउटलेट मतलब जहाँ से आप कुछ सामान खरीद सकते हो. सामान खरीद सकते हो, वो भी आपका आउटलेट है. उसके अलावा आप फास्ट फूड जंक फूड जो आप खाते हो ना, बाहर की फूड, ये सारी चीज़ें भी जहाँ से आप खरीद सकते हो, वो भी आपका आउटलेट बोला जाता है उसे. सो ये आपका फर्स्ट मीनिंग है. तो इफ़ यू सी, कैंटीन से भी आप सामान खरीदते हो, खाने की चीज़ें खरीदते हो. शॉप्स में से भी आप सामान खरीदोगे, कोई ना कोई सामान खरीद सकते हो. कॉफ़ी हाउस, साउथ इंडियन कैफ़े, यहाँ से भी आप सामान खरीदोगे. मैकडोनल्ड से यू विल गेट बर्गर्स एंड ऑल, पिज़्ज़ा हट से यू विल गेट पिज़्ज़ाज एंड ऑल, एंड बिग बाज़ार से यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ्स, है ना. सो इन सारी चीज़ों का जो नाम मैंने अभी लिया, उनमें सबसे बड़ा आउटलेट कौन सा है? बिग बाज़ार का, डेफिनेटली, है ना. ये एक ही है बच्चों. दीज आर नॉट टू डिफरेंट थिंग, दीज आर वन. ठीक है, बिग बाज़ार इज़ वन. सो बिगेस्ट आउटलेट इज़ बिग बाज़ार. ओके, सो यू विल राइट हियर बिग बाज़ार. आई टोल्ड यू दैट आउटलेट का दो मीनिंग होता है ना. सो आउटलेट हैव टू मीनिंग. फर्स्ट मीनिंग इज फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन बाय गुड्स. The other meaning is outlet, it is the pipeline. ठीक है. इफ़ यू सी इन अ बिल्डिंग, अगर आप फ्लैट में रहते हो, आपने या आपने बिल्डिंग्स देखी होगी, सो पास से देखी होगी, तो यू विल सी दैट बिल्डिंग के बाहर देयर आर पाइपलाइंस इवन फ्रॉम ऑल द फ्लोर्स ऑफ द हाउस. From all the floors of the building, you will see pipelines coming out of the building. Okay, so those pipelines are known as outlets. Okay, from where the what from where wastewater could be passed out, or from the water could be taken in. Okay, so those pipelines are also known as outlet. Okay, so अगर यहाँ पे in this map, if you see this map, ये आपको सिर्फ अंदर का दिखा रहे हैं, है ना. If you see this map, children, this map only includes the inner part of the शॉपिंग मॉल, नॉट द आउटर पार्ट. सो अगर आपको ये मैप दिया है, इसके अलावा अगर ऐसे मैप होता, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई जस्ट शो यू चिल्ड्रंस, जस्ट अ मिनट. Just hold. Just a minute, children. Okay. I'll just show you, for example. Okay. So if this is the building of yours, okay, this is the building of yours. Okay, this is the map which is given to you. I'll make a smaller one. Okay, the map which is given in your textbook is left hand side. The map I'll show you will be the right hand side. Okay, the left hand side we have different shops, different auditoriums, we have toilets also. Okay, this will be a toilet which I have mentioned with T. Okay, this is toilet, uh, and Pizza Hut, McDonald. Okay, this is McDonald, this is Pizza Hut. Okay, like that we have the inner part. So in the building, I'm just making boxes, okay, for you to understand. So if the map is like this, okay, these are different shops, toilets, or restaurants, or anything like that. If the building is given, if the building has certain pipelines like this, okay, बाहर से अगर pipelines दिख रही हैं आपको, बिल्डिंग के बाहर से ऐसे pipelines दिख रही है आपको, ठीक है, पाइपलाइन ड्रॉ की गई है आप लोगों के लिए. सो इफ ऐसे ड्राइंग होगा आप लोगों का, तो यू विल कंसिडर द आउटलेट दिस वन. बाहर जो होती है ना, पाइपलाइंस होती हैं, ऐसे अगर पाइप्स दिख रही हैं आपको बिल्डिंग के बाहर, जैसे आप अगर आप बिल्डिंग्स में रहते हो, तो आप अपने बिल्डिंग के बाहर जाके देखना. ओके, यू विल सी, साइड में देखना, सामने नहीं होगी, डेफिनेटली साइड में या पीछे होंगी, ऐसे पाइपलाइंस होंगी. ठीक है, पाइपलाइंस ड्रॉ किए होंगी, सॉरी ड्रॉ नहीं होंगी, तो दोज पाइपलाइंस आर ऑल्सो नोन एज आउटलेट. तो ऐसे पाइपलाइंस दिखाए हैं, तो यू विल कंसिडर द आउटलेट ऑफ पाइपलाइंस. बट अगर आउटलाइंस नहीं दिखाया है, सिर्फ ऐसा बिल्डिंग दिया है, अंदर आपको बहुत सारे शॉप्स, मैकडोनल्ड्स, पिज़्ज़ा हट, टॉयलेट्स ऐसे दिए हैं, सो विल जस्ट कंसिडर द मीनिंग ऑफ आउटलेट एज अ प्लेस फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन बाय गुड्स, और फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन बाय फास्ट फूड्स. ओके चिल्ड्रन, दो आउटलेट का मीनिंग है, एक जहाँ से आप गुड्स खरीद सकते हो या फास्ट फूड खरीद सकते हो. तो आपको ऐसे मैप दिया है, तो यू विल कंसिडर द फूड आउटलेट. ओके, अगर आपको ऐसा वाला मैप दिया है, दिस वन, जहाँ पे बाहर पाइप्स दिखाई हैं, पाइप्स ड्रॉ किए गए हैं, तो आउटलेट विल बी दिस वन. ओके ओके, सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद द क्वेश्चंस. So here we don't have any pipelines, है ना. Here do we have any pipelines? Can you see any pipelines over here, any corner? No. So that is why we consider the meaning of outlet as a place from where the goods can be brought, or goods can be brought, or fast food can be brought. So here you will see Big Bazaar is the biggest outlet. So you have written here Big Bazaar. Third question is, which two restaurants lie near main gate? Okay, this is the main gate. Okay, this is the main gate, and they are asking that which two restaurants lie. Okay, so if you see, Big Bazaar is not a restaurant, but if you see Pizza Hut, yes, it is a restaurant. McDonald is also a restaurant. Why it is a restaurant? Because from that is a place from where you can buy things which you can eat, है ना. पिज़्ज़ा हट एंड मैकडोनल्ड से आपको खाने के सामान मिलते हैं. कॉफ़ी हाउस एंड साउथ इंडियन कैफ़े से भी आपको खाने के ही सामान मिलेंगे. बट यू सी, दे आर आस्किंग नियर, they are asking question near, which two restaurants lie near main gate. Okay, so if they are asking near, तो main gate के पास तो यही दो restaurants है जो पास में है. So you will write here Pizza Hut in first column, and second column you will write McDonald's. See here, Pizza Hut and McDonald. Okay, next question is D1, shops near to entrance of multiplex are. Okay, so we'll see here map, and they are asking shops which are near to the entrance of multiplex. Okay, so where do you see the multiplex here, children? Here we have the multiplex here. See carefully in the video, I'm pointing out here, and if you can't just see here, just see where I'm pointing and check it in your workbook, you will find it there. So this is your multiplex. Okay, and what is they saying is, which two shops lie near entry to multiplex? If you see, we have a place here, multiplex ये रहा, and ये रहा entry आपका multiplex के लिए, है ना? यहाँ पे road दिख रहा है, एक path दिख रही है आपको, there's a path. If you see, there's a track here, a path here to go to multiplex. So this is the entry. आप इस side देखोगे, can you see a path here as we have here? No, ये आपका exit है. ये आपकी entry to multiplex is here, because you can see here track. Here can you see the track? No, you can't see the track, है ना? जहाँ पे देखो two lines दिख रही हैं, यहाँ पे two lines नहीं, यहाँ पे single line है. So that is the exit. Entry is here. So entry to multiplex के पास में which two shops are there? Shop 1 and shop 2. Okay, entry is here. Entry यहाँ से हो रही है because यहाँ पे path दिख रहा है. इसके पास कौन सा shop है? Shop 1 and shop 2. Okay, शॉप 7 नहीं, बिकॉज यहाँ पे कोई पाथ दिखाई नहीं दे रही है. सो दैट इज़ वाई शॉप 1 एंड शॉप 2 विल बी द नियरेस्ट शॉप एंट्री, नियरेस्ट शॉप to the entry to multiplex. So you'll write here shop 1 and shop 2. Last question of this is the first outlet nearest to main gate is. Okay, main gate is here. Okay, and they are saying first outlet nearest to main gate, मतलब main gate के एकदम सामने फर्स्ट आउटलेट मीन्स एकदम सामने आपको कौन सा ऐसा जगह मिलेगा जहाँ से आप कुछ खरीद सकते हो. तो यू सी हियर मेन गेट के पास में पिज़्ज़ा हट एंड टॉयलेट है ना. सो टॉयलेट्स हैं, सो दैट इज़ यू वोंट गेट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम देयर, है ना. यू विल गेट पिज़्ज़ाज फ्रॉम पिज़्ज़ा हट. सो दैट इज़ वाई द फर्स्ट आउटलेट which is nearest to the main gate will be Pizza Hut. So that is why you will write here Pizza Hut. Okay, children? Okay. Last question of this chapter is study the map of India and answer the following questions. This is the map of India. Okay, children? This is the older map. Okay, this is the older map of India. Now we have a distribution here. Jammu, J&K and Ladakh. We have distribution over here in this place. Anyways, no problem. In mathematics, we can just see the map and find out the question and answer as of now. So this is the map of India. We have questions based on that map here. First question is, name the states which touch the border of China. Okay, so we'll come to the map here. Just a minute. We'll come to the map here. This is the map of India, and they are asking is the states which touch the border of China. Okay, this is China here, children. Okay, the other country, this China is a neighboring country. पास में ही हमारे इंडिया के टच करती है हमारी काफ़ी बॉर्डर, स्टेट के काफ़ी सारे स्टेट की बॉर्डर्स चाइना को टच करती हैं. सो विच ऑल स्टेट्स टच द बॉर्डर ऑफ चाइना. सो इफ़ यू सी हियर जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर टच हो रही है चाइना से. ओके, दिस ये वाली बॉर्डर टच कर रही है, ये वाली बॉर्डर टच कर रही है चाइना से, है ना. दिस वन बॉर्डर विच आई एम जस्ट पॉइंटिंग, दिस बॉर्डर. एंड देन हिमाचल प्रदेश भी टच कर रही है चाइना को, एंड देन उत्तराखंड भी टच कर रही है चाइना को. नेपाल इज डिफरेंट कंट्री, सो वी डोंट नीड टू सी. ओके, नेपाल you should know this is not this is another country. So Jammu and Kashmir is the first one which touches the border of China. Second is Himachal Pradesh. Third is Uttarakhand. Next, here we have a small state. Okay, here we have a small state. Nepal and Bhutan के बीच में we have a small state named Sikkim. So that also touches the border of China. And then we have Arunachal Pradesh. This one, this state is known as Arunachal Pradesh. So the borders of the states which touch the border of China is Jammu and Kashmir. I've just written J and K in short form. It means Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. I've just written Arunachal and then P dot. I've written P dot for Pradesh. Okay. Next question is, name the states which touch the border of Pakistan. Okay, so if you see here, here we have Pakistan, and here is the states which touches its border. So what are those states? Again, Jammu and Kashmir. This border is touching Jammu and Kashmir. Here we have Punjab. Here we have Rajasthan. and here we have Gujarat. So Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat touches the border of Pakistan. See here I've written J&K, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat. C question is, which states do you cross while going from Delhi to Ahmedabad? Okay, so Ahmedabad is in Gujarat. Okay, Ahmedabad is in Gujarat. So this here we have the state India map, and the question is, which states do you cross while going from Delhi to Ahmedabad? You see here Delhi is here and Ahmedabad is here. है ना? You see here Delhi is here and Ahmedabad is here. So which states, you can just pause the video for a moment, children, and see what you can see what you can find. I showed you where is Delhi, where is Gujarat, है ना? So just see, pause the video. I'm taking few seconds for you to think. You just find it out which states you will have to cross, which states you will touch when you are going from Delhi to Gujarat. दिल्ली से गुजरात जाओगे तो कौन से स्टेट्स को आप होके जाओगे वो बताओ मुझे. Okay, I hope you might have seen, you might have understood. So I'll tell you the answer. I told you Ahmedabad is in गुजरात. इट इज़ अ प्लेस इन गुजरात. ठीक है, अहमदाबाद गुजरात में. तो अहमदाबाद वर्ड नहीं दिया है यहाँ पे, बट डोंट वरी, अहमदाबाद इज़ इन गुजरात. सो हियर दैट इज़ वाई दिल्ली इज़ हियर. दिल्ली के नीचे ये वाला स्टेट इफ़ यू सी, दिस इज़ हरियाणा, है ना. दिल्ली इज़ हियर. इफ़ यू सी हियर हरियाणा है. हरियाणा से होके आपको राजस्थान जाना पड़ेगा एंड राजस्थान से होके आपको गुजरात जाना पड़ेगा. सी हियर दिल्ली इज़ हियर. दिल्ली के नीचे है हरियाणा. यू सी हियर छोटा सा प्लेस है, ये हरियाणा है. हरियाणा के नीचे है राजस्थान. राजस्थान के नीचे है गुजरात. सो दैट इज़ वाई यू विल हैव टू क्रॉस हरियाणा and Rajasthan to reach Ahmedabad. What you will write here, children? In the answer, you will write Haryana and Rajasthan. Okay. Next question is D1. Name the coastal city of Maharashtra. Okay, coastal city of Maharashtra means this one. This is known as coastal areas. Okay. The border where you can see where the sites have water. Okay, where the sites have seas or water bodies are there near the land, that is known as coastal. So if you see here, this is the coastal which we say. Okay, this is western coast, this is eastern coast. Okay, this one is known as western coast, this place is known as eastern coast. So they are asking coastal city of Maharashtra. So this is Maharashtra, this is our state where we live, and they are saying coastal city of Maharashtra means here in the coastal area, which is the what is the name of the coastal city जो एकदम किनारे पे है, जिसके सामने water bodies है full. So Mumbai is your answer. Mumbai is the coastal city of Maharashtra. Okay, this is here. See, it is marked already. Mumbai आप देख सकते हो coast में ही है, इसके आगे पूरा water bodies है. We have water bodies here. We have Arabian Sea here over here. Okay, we have Arabian Sea. Here we have Mumbai and here we have water bodies. So that is why the coastal Maharashtra का जो coastal भाग है उस city का नाम क्या है? Mumbai. So you'll write here, children, Mumbai. Next is name two islands of India. Okay, name two islands of India. So they are asking, so main two islands are, this is our state, these are the territorial lands, and here we have islands. Okay, this is also our part, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean and then Arabian Sea. All this is our part, India ka part hai. So they are asking two islands of India. We have a lot of islands in India, like first the main islands which I'll tell you is this one, Andaman and Nicobar Island. ठीक है, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Island. Okay, the capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair and the capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. Okay, so in ये भी क्या है, लक्षद्वीप भी छोटे काफ़ी सारे मल्टीपल आइलैंड से बने हैं एक आइलैंड हमने नाम दे दिया है. अंडमान एंड निकोबार में भी देर आर मल्टीपल आइलैंड्स. ओके, देर आर लॉट ऑफ आइलैंड्स, बट स्टिल हम मेन नाम कैसे याद रखते हैं? अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स. इसमें सब डिविजन्स भी है, अलग अलग नाम भी है आइलैंड्स के, बट द मेन इज हियर दिस साइड विच वी हैव ऑल द आइलैंड्स. फॉर दैट एज अ होल वी गेव द नेम एज अंडमान एंड निकोबार एंड लक्षद्वीप. एज ऑफ नाउ आप उतना ही समझो. सो अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स एंड लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड्स आर द टू आइलैंड्स ऑफ इंडिया. Okay children, so here we finished our chapter, and I'm telling you again, this is a very easy chapter. You might have experienced that we just need to see we just need to see the map, read the questions and find out the answer from the map itself. Okay, I've given all the answers, so today there is no homework. Okay, so today there is no homework for you all. I've finished all the questions, so there are no homework. So you see the video again, pause the video if you're not able to understand it properly, pause the video, listen to it again. बहुत ही simple lesson है. Okay, so here we finished our chapter number 8. In our next lecture we will start with our question chapter number 9 and we'll finish it soon. Okay, that is also very small chapter and a very simple one. Okay children, so take care of yourself. See you in next lecture. Bye bye.